Let us see how to solve these kind of questions of integration. We will start with let tan x by 2 equals to t. Now we will differentiate this part with respect to x. Then the differentiation of this will be what? Secant square x by 2 and 1 by 2 dx equals to dt. Now in place of secant square x, we can write 1 plus tan square x by 2 and 1 by 2 dx equals to dt. Only the change is here. But now if you see tan x by 2 equals to t, so here this thing we can substitute. So I will write now 1 plus t square into 1 by 2. This thing I will write as it is dx equals to dt. If I simplify this and I can get the value of dx equals to this 2 times 2t dt, it will be 2 dt divided by this 1 plus t square. Let us put this in the box. Since we have this cos x also in the question, so now we will take the formula of cos x equals to 1 minus tan square x by 2 upon 1 plus tan square x by 2. In place of tan x by 2, I will write this t. So it will be 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. Now these values we will substitute in our main integration question now. Now I will write for your reference what is our question now. 1 upon 5 plus 4 cos x dx can be written as, I will write now integration 1 as it is upon 5 as it is plus 4. Now in place of cos x, I will write this value 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. Now we have dx. In place of this, I will write 2 dt upon 1 plus t square, 1 plus t square. Now the next step I will solve in right side area. In the next step, we will simplify this part. I will write first integration. Now I will take the LCM of these two. Now if we simplify the last step, will be 1 upon the LCM of these two. The LCM will be 1 plus t square. Then we will get 5 into 1 plus t square plus 4 into 1 minus t square. Then the remaining part will be as it is 2 dt by 1 plus t square. We can note one thing here, this 1 plus t square and 1 plus t square can get cancelled. Then if we simplify further, then it will be integration of 1 upon 5 ones 5 plus 5t square plus 4 ones 4 minus 4t square we can write. And this 2 can be written outside since it is constant, and remaining is what? dt. And if we simplify this into 2 integration of, now we can write 5 plus 4, it will be 9, 5t square minus 4t square, it will be t square dt. In the next step, I will write 2 integration 1 upon this 9 can be written as 3 square minus, here it will be not minus, it will be plus. Since the sign of 5t square is plus, so it will be only t square. So it will be t square and dt we can write. We have a formula, integration of 1 upon x square plus a square dx equals to, it will be 1 by a tan inverse of x by a plus integral constant. Let us put this in the box. Now based on this formula we can simplify. First we will write 2, here 1 upon a means here it will be 3, and tan inverse from the formula, x means here t, by a means 3 plus integral constant. Now finally 2 ones 2 by 3, tan inverse, t means here we considered tan x by 2, so we will write tan x by 2 upon 3 plus integral constant. This is your final answer.